Good day, viewers. You are welcome to Soluble Tutors. Today, we are to calculate the area of the shaded portion. This shaded portion is an irregular shape. So in this shape now, we have only square, and apart from that, we have 4 circles. How do we do it now? Looking at this square, to calculate the area of the shaded portion, we have to calculate the area of the square. Now take away this unshaded part, which means area of the shaded part will be equal to area of the square, that is this square, minus area of the unshaded part. Now, let's take out this square. Okay, taking out the square, because the first thing we have to do is to find the area of the square. This is the square, for example. Now, you can see here, from here to here is 7. From here to here is 7. So 7 plus 7, that's 14. So we have 14 over here. Here also, 7 plus another 7, that's another 14. So we have 14 over here also. An area of a square. Area of a square is equal to length times length. Okay? That is, you can say is equal to L square. So what's our length? Our length is 14. The other length is 14. So it means area of the square will be equal to 14 times 14. And this will give us 196 centimeter squared. So that's the area of this portion. So to get the area of the shaded part, we have to calculate the area here. And the area here, this is a sector which has 90 as an angle. This also has 90. This also has 90. And this also has 90. But we just have to take one of them because they are the same. This and this and this and this are the same, 4 places. So we have to take one of them, calculate this area of this place. After getting this area, we multiply by 4. So how do we now get this area? Let's try and carve it out here. Okay. The shape is like this. Okay, with angle 90, and it has a curved surface here. This place is 7 centimeter. This is also 7 centimeter. And we all know that area of sector is equal to theta over 360 times pi r square. Pi r square is for area of a circle. Sector is a portion of a circle, which is the same thing as pi out of 360 is a sector. So what do we do about that now? Our pi here will be the angle 90 here. So let's check that. So remember that we have 4 of this. So we have to put 4 in the front. So we are multiplying by 4. So let me put the equal to here and I write this as 4. So we have to multiply our answer by 4 because we are getting it into 4 places. So what do we do now? Our theta is 90. So we have to say 4 into 90 over 360 times 22 over 7 times 7 times another 7 because it's 7 squared. So what do we do? So this cancels this. So we are left with, so if you use calculator to calculate this, so 90 over 360 times 22 times 7, it will give us 38.5. So we have to multiply that by 4. So at the end of the day, our final answer will be equal to 154 centimeters square. So this 154 centimeters square is the area of the unshaded portion. Is the area of the unshaded portion, which is in 4 places. So what do we have to do now is this. Once we get the area of the bigger sides of the square, we take away the area of the unshaded portion. We are left with area of shaded portion now. So that's what we do. Area of the square minus area of the unshaded portion will be left with this. So what do we do? So we have gotten the area of the square and we have gotten the area of the unshaded portion. So area of shaded part now or portion of shaded part or portion will be equal to, remember what we have here, area of the shaded part. We say that's the area of the square minus area of the unshaded part. So area of the square now, which is this, we have to write that one down as 196 minus now area of the unshaded part, and that's 154. So minus 154 all into centimeter square. So doing this, our final answer will be 42 centimeter square. So this is the area of the shaded portion. If you enjoy this video, like the video, share with friends, please subscribe to our channel and remember to press the bell icon so that anytime we release videos like this, you'll be notified. Thank you. See you in the next video.